Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to Project Review. So, let's get started. We have got 62 responses, which is really nice, I think, considering the state of the channel right now. Anyway, let's start with the review. 38. Okay, so Super Mario Bros. By Delapai. So, Super Mario Bros. This is nice. Okay, we have Turbo Up link here for some reason, even though I am already in Turbo Up. Yeah. Okay, nice. We'll go slow this time. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is easy, bro. This is really easy. I couldn't even see that box. That's crazy. Ooh. Let's go. Here we go. So we are bigger now. Okay, easy, easy. Very easy. Here we go. Checkpoint. Let's go. Rendering. Okay, bro. Okay, going through pipes. Ooh, that is crazy, bro. You have the underground level as well. Okay, new outfit. Okay, did I lose? No. Okay, I just lost the color. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, we are back. Yes, we are back, but we are still in night mode for some reason. Another checkpoint. Crazy. Ooh. I almost lost. Okay. Ooh, what was that? Oi! Oi! Okay, here we go. I'm big and white now. Somehow. We have to be careful here. Oh, oh. Okay, size advantage somehow. I got this close to actually winning something, bro. Crazy. But overall, this remake is amazing. This is so accurate. Like, I have never played Super Mario Bros. As far as I've seen on YouTube and everywhere, the sound effects were on point, the music was on point, every level, like the pipe, going inside the pipe and then entering in the underground level or something like that. Crazy accurate. Getting the flag, and then it has the animation of pulling the flag down and then entering the castle. That is crazy. It is so good. 47. Okay, let's see. It was a dialogue engine V1.0 by Shovel Hand. Let's see this. Pretty nice. But how do I review this? 33. Which was scan test demo by Alt2Live1546. Okay, bro. Movement open map M, key left click scan. What is this instruction screen, bro? Okay, let's open map and left click to scan. Was it scanning only one part? How do I rotate? Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah. So now what? Okay, we can move like this. Okay, now I get it a bit. Okay, so it renders basically what is in front of the arrow thing here. Let's see this. Okay, we have wall in the left and a bit of space in the right, but we still have this wall in the background here. Why has it crashed, bro? What is going on? We'll just restart, bro. Okay, now let's see. So now let's see. Again it has crashed, bro. What do I say? 11. Okay, PlayStation V0.8 by Quadros. Okay, let's see, bro. Let's see. Okay. This is basically my project, Scratch Station, but I think it's better. We'll see about that. So here we have my project, and let's see. So clicker. The animation is a bit worse. Ooh, this is crazy. Flappy Bird. Okay, let's see what changes we have done in this. Okay, shooter also has a new icon. Ooh. So this is very smooth, but if we turn off interpolation, now you see the reality. This is how it will look on Scratch. Yeah, this is basically the same thing. So if we turn on interpolation on my project as well, now you can see my project is also very, smooth because it has interpolation in this. Also, we have custom backgrounds for each and every game. Like the real PlayStation, unlike this project, you can see. Why are trains fighting in the background, bro? Okay, anyway, but yeah, this project is not bad. It is like, it looks really good, and you have also improved the games a lot. Also, by the way, this reminds me of my own new project, we can say. Let me show you. I am also tweaking Scratch Station a little bit. This is so much better than before. And look at this click animation. This is also so much better. Yeah, but this is all I've done by now. There will be more changes, and I don't know if I'll post it or not, but at least the original project will be updated. 59. Cool tactic game. I think they meant cool. By someone using Scratch 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's actually cool tactic game. Okay. Okay, looks really good, really good. Look at this, look at this, look at the background, look at the start and settings. It's keyboard controlled, by the way. Let's start. This is so good. Okay, there's some story type thing. Okay, level 1. Choose your characters. Go. Okay, so we can start now. Easy, very easy actually. Okay, it hit me now. It has 5 team members and I am 1. And I can hit only once as well. These guys can gang up and kill me, bro. Okay, crazy. Okay, I lost. Don't let your health reach 0. Of course, bro. So playing one level in the tutorial, this game is amazing. We can say production quality in this case is really amazing. If you see the animations, the sound effects, the menus, the overall polish of this game is amazing. And it is also so fun. Like, of course, it is difficult because 5 people versus 1. But maybe there is some tactics to it, which is like really nice. The quality of the assets, we can say, the text was so clean. It did not cross the bubbles. It was in overall no extra add-ons. Like everything is amazing in this game. There is nothing you can really ask me for suggestions. 22 is a basket soccer by Timoth 23. Let's see this. Okay, basket soccer. What 5 minutes play, 3k points, 1p, 1 win. Okay, let's just click what we understand. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, okay. The animations are crazy though. How is that a goal? It's in the corner, bro. Okay, goal. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Once I know the game, they cannot win, bro. Yeah. The same goal 3 times, and it does not understand. Ooh. Self goal. Almost self goal. Thank God he kicked it. Self goal. Am I this bad? No. What am I doing? What is that? Why did not consider that as a goal? I am done with this game. In general, as a game, it is really amazing. If you can see, it is very smooth to play. I don't know why. There is no interpolation on in this thing. The animations after you win, it takes like 5 to 10 seconds. It waits for that amount of time so you can, have existential crisis. So like overall, this game is actually really amazing. But what is this menu, bro? This is not a good menu. What 5 minute 3k pts points? Okay, what? Have some context to it. Have some dialog box show up when I hover mouse over this, like this is the 5 minute mode where you'll play for 5 minutes and something something something. And what is 1p? I don't even think this is points. One player. Okay, my guess was correct. Have some instruction, have something. Not everyone will be guessing. Let's move on to the next project. 30. Okay, so my phone storage is full, unfortunately, while recording. So we'll have to shoot like this. And after this, my webcam also stopped working. So for a while, you'll only see a weird triangle instead of me. But I'll be back. So No Mercy by I don't know why I'm bored 777. Very interesting username, by the way. Oi. Easy, bro. Easy. Yeah, let's go. Very easy. That must be a glitch or something. So just a dodging arrow game made by my tutorial, I feel. Why are points in decimals? High score is a variable. This looks ugly. Add some, text renderer. And yeah, not much here. It's a very simple game. Let's move on to the next project. 19. Okay, so Flappy Bird 2 online by Tumar YouTube. Let's see this. Okay, Flappy Bird 2 online skins wardrobe. Okay, we cannot buy anything. Okay, let's play. What was that? Okay, we have... Okay, that was so seamless, bro. We directly start through the menu. Okay, that is crazy. See? 2 points and I'm out. And how much do I have now? 3 coins. Okay, let's get to 10 actually. We'll get 10. Come on. Okay, 2 again. Let's get to 10. At least 1 point, bro. Come on, please. Yeah, here we go. We have 10 points now. Okay, 5 points, 6 points. Okay, finally, this is our high score. Okay, let's now check. We have 10 coins. Okay, let's see. Okay, what do we get? 20. That's nice. Now let's go to wardrobe and buy something. I'll buy this one. Let's see. Okay, we have a skin now. How does this help? Probably does not. Ooh. New skin unlocked, Among Us. Okay, let's go. Actually, amazing. I had some laser thing, bro. Yeah, Among Us. This is crazy, bro. I lost anyway. If you review this is so amazing. Like, look, we have cool animations. We have online mode somehow. We have this cool buttons. We have amazing wardrobe with like, price and everything written here. This is very clean UI, by the way. We have this coin wheel thing, which is really nice. Okay, I can still spin it. -5. We have so many, skins that we can unlock without even earning money, which is crazy. We have so many modes like the laser thing we saw. Other than that, we have glass, which is not in the original Flappy Bird game. And the best part about this game is this thing, this right here. Crossing through the menu. We will not even call it remake. It is Flappy Bird 2, straight up a new game. 8. Okay, so Bad Platformer 1.2 demo by 314 Mad Club 2. Let's see. Bad Platform 1.2, new players die like at least 20 times here. So how will I play this? What is this controls? So hard to read, bro. Let's start. What is this? What even is this? Look at this, bro. We have the purple thing. See carefully. There was nothing. Nah. You cannot see anything. Even if you see, you cannot actually see anything that makes you lose. It says do not touch red stuff, but somehow the purple stuff is already killing me in the game. So what is even the point of this game, bro? It was originally made with Griffpatch tutorials. When did Griffpatch make such games, bro? I cannot play this. This is too difficult, or maybe buggy or bugged that it is not working. I cannot play this. 62. Okay, so Walls by Cody Potato. Let's see. Is this a generic platformer? Did I just go through the spike like it was nothing? Do not touch lava. Okay, let's try touching lava. Nothing happened. Do not touch the spikes either. Okay, bro, I am touching the spikes. So this game is generic as well as broken. Yeah, you win. Of course, he used his tutorial.